Today, we're tackling a very practical concern you might have faced. What happens if DoorDash can't find a dasher for your order? It's a situation that can lead to frustration and hunger, but let's dive deeper to understand the mechanics behind it and what it means for you as a customer. Firstly, we should look at why DoorDash might not be able to find a dasher. There are several potential reasons, including high demand and not enough dashers online, particularly during peak times or bad weather conditions. Another reason could be the distance. Your location might be too far from restaurants or not in an area with high dasher activity. So, what happens next if there's no dasher available? DoorDash has a system in place designed to eventually find a match for your order. Initially, your order will keep circulating, potentially with an increased delivery fee to make it more attractive to dashers. DoorDash aims to incentivize dashers to accept your delivery by adjusting the fee. If the situation persists and your order remains unaccepted, DoorDash might reach out to you with updates via the app or email. This could include notifications about the delay and, in some instances, options for you to cancel the order with a refund or credit, or continue waiting. However, it's crucial to understand that DoorDash takes customer satisfaction seriously. In the rare event that your order cannot be fulfilled, they will typically offer compensation such as credits or a full refund, thereby ensuring you're not left completely disadvantaged. In the meantime, while waiting for a dasher, there are a few proactive steps you can take. Consider reordering from a nearby restaurant that might be in a busier dasher area, or even picking up the order yourself if the option is available and convenient for you. In conclusion, while it's certainly frustrating when DoorDash can't find a dasher immediately for your order, there are systems in place to address this issue. Whether it's adjusting incentives for dashers or providing customers with alternatives, DoorDash strives to minimize the inconvenience. Thank you for watching. Whether you're a frequent DoorDash user or new to the platform, it's helpful to know the ins and outs of how your orders are handled, especially in less common scenarios. Stay informed and plan your next meal with confidence. Happy ordering!